This is Brighton Railroad Park, also known as the Rotary Snowplow Park. Half a caboose. Number 9. This tells you how important boxcars were in the day. And is that a piano or a hearse? That's a piano. Okay. I think this is a shorty caboose. Oh, nice. Really got a good view in there. Okay, I was way up there. Number 9. Number 9 went by here between 1884 and 1937. Well, he's got a snowplow on him too. Okay, when you push the button, all you hear is the chugging sound. No description. Here's Rotary number 1. Operated from 1873 to 1937. Okay, this windmill was donated, and the windmill is right there. Okay. There is the front of the Rotary Snowplow. Number 1. I got a boxcar, flat car, steam engine, shorty caboose, and the snowplow.
Look through the window.
Here is the ice arena at Railroad Park. In reality, there's just an ice arena right next door. Why would they go ice skating in the summer? They can do plenty of that in winter. There's the mountain. I was up on that one, way up
there. The east.
Alright, here's the lake.
Proceed 4 miles to I.
Here's a lake in the middle of the mountains by Breckenridge. There's Georgetown. The Georgetown Loop Scenic Railway.